0 to fluent. تعلم الإنجليزية من الصفر حتى الاحتراف. Workplaces, أماكن العمل. In this video, we will learn the names of common workplaces and the people who work there. في هذا الفيديو سوف نتعلم أسماء أماكن العمل الشائعة والأشخاص الذين يعملون فيها. Mall. Grocery shop. Grocer. Fresh fish shop. Fishmonger. Fisherman.
Meat shop.
Butcher.
Bakery shop.
Baker. Flower shop. Florists. Spice dealer store. Barber shop. Barber. Beauty salon. Hairdresser.
Beautician.
Massage spa. Masseuse. Computer shop. DVD rentals. Computer technician. Software store or hardware store. Programmer. Cameras shop. Photographer. Ironmonger shop. Blacksmith. Locksmith. Welder. Street vendor or peddler. Fast food restaurant. Delivery man. Motorcycle. Bookshop or bookstore.
Bookseller. Bookbinder. Post office.
Postman and bicycle. Crafts shop. Hosier or weaver.
Potter.
Estate agent office. Sport shop. Sportsman. Jewelry shop. Jeweler. Goldsmith. Newsagent's shop. Flea market. Second-hand store. Second-hand dealer. Pawn shop. Pawnbroker. Arboretum. Arborist.
Ice cream shop.
Sweet shop. Confectionaire. Donut shop. Flour miller. Workshop. Sculptor. Carpenter. Watch store. Watchmaker. Watch repair. Gift shop. Furniture shop. Upholsteria. Shoe shop. A shoemaker. Shoe shiner. Clothes shop. Presser. Pet shop. Construction materials shop. Electrical shop. Household items or utensils shop. Food items shop.